today, Harley Davidson has provided me with this brand new limited edition Super Glide. There's only 2,500 of these made, and this is your first look at it. Literally, this bike was launched today, and I finally get this opportunity to show you guys the neighborhood where my shop is. I'm gonna just take you guys out around the ports today. We're gonna show you some history and some cool spots that I just go and have my lunch at and hang out at on this crazy brand new bike. So let's go. So yes, this is a limited edition Super Glide. You heard that right. The Super Glide was a super rare shovel head they made in the 70s, 1971. This thing is definitely a chopper feel when you're riding it. Like, it has the exposed tire in the back, it has the mini chrome apes, and it just feels little and low to the ground, but it still has the Milwaukee 8 117 classic motor on it. So this thing rips. They only made 2,500 of them, which kind of keeps that rare vibe. The paint job is just super classic. It's like that American vibe, the red, white, and blue, which is on purpose. It's America's 250th anniversary. This whole area it's 43 miles of Los Angeles County coastline, and it is the largest cargo ship port in North America. All of our stuff comes in right here, right by my shop. So we're gonna rip around. I'm gonna show you guys this bike in action and continue just showing you guys my neighborhood. This thing sounds pretty cool too. Not bad. I really like the sound of all the new Harleys, especially the cruisers. They sound great. Okay, so we just rode over the Vincent Thomas Bridge, which is like the most underrated LA staple ever. It was the first fully welded suspension bridge in the US. So it's also where they filmed Inception and Fast and Furious. And before it was there was actually just like a ferry. So it connected the ports to like all the roads. After riding this bike around for a little bit, some of my favorite things so far is definitely the tank. The tank is a 5-gallon teardrop tank. The Street Bob is only a 3.5-gallon tank, so this is quite larger. This bike price point is also $15,999, so this bike is a sick deal. It's crazy that I live in this area where I can just take you down to the ports of Los Angeles, and like living in LA in general is just crazy. And that Harley Davidson is like, oh, we're gonna choose you as the only person to reveal this bike on reveal day. My life rules. And this bike also rules. And me plus this bike would be nice. All right. We're getting back on the bike and we're gonna go over to Tuna Street, which is the old Japanese fishing village. Not bringing it back. This street is where the final race scene of Fast and Furious was. This bike is so fun to ride. It's like thoughtless, because you don't have to worry about anything. The suspension is so good. I've been hitting bumps and it doesn't feel like anything. So we're in the part of the LA ports that's more of like the fishing vibe. And we're actually right on Tuna Street, which was the Japanese fishing village. So there was 3,000 Japanese immigrants that lived here and ran their fishing operations here and provided tons of fish for the state and the entire country, actually. Next, we're gonna go to the Chowder Barge, which is legendary in motorcycle culture because it's where everyone always goes after the Sunday swap meets that happen in Long Beach. So it's my go-to spot to take anybody that comes to visit Wilmington. We're gonna go check that out and we are gonna ride there. So let's go. I'm having a blast on this bike, by the way. we just got to the Chowder Barge. This is a legendary old spot in the LA ports. But this marina is just crazy. There was a Julia Roberts TV show that was filmed here. This was also a bar in I Know What You Did Last Summer, the one that just came out. They like transformed it. It's just completely floating in a marina on a barge. So, and they have chowder, believe it or not. It's just a little nasty, just like me, you know? Okay, you guys, Morgan Gales is sitting right behind me. He does not, but it's so random because I just was with him, with this film crew in Florida. So let's say hi. Hey. Oh, wait. Hey, how are you? Hi, good to see you.
Okay. That's a rad color. No, so it's like the first year of the Super Glide, the early paint with the boat tail.
Yeah, yeah. It'll be like a limited launch that comes out today.
What number did you get? 18?
Thanks for checking it out.
Yeah,
that's so funny. I looked over, I'm like, Morgan, I'm like, out of all the people for this while we're filming
just
this.
chilling in the corner, just hanging out.
Okay, we just left. They told us we can't film in there because people pay a lot of money to film in there and we aren't. So instead of Harley paying for us to film in there, they're gonna give me a free bike. I love coming to the Queen Mary in Long Beach. Like everywhere I've taken you on this video is within like 3 miles of my shop. Like how cool is that? The Queen Mary is basically on the edge of the ports and it's something that I drive by every single day on my way home and my way to work. They say it's like the most haunted place in America. It has sailed across the Atlantic Ocean 1,000 times. It's actually bigger than the Titanic, and it was kind of like the Titanic's rival. A couple other things that I like about this bike are all the lights are LED. This big headlight just makes this bike look really classic as well. And a lot of the cruisers at Harley-Davidson don't actually have the two-up seat. It's pretty sick. Thank you guys for tuning into this video. Please let me know below. Are you gonna be one of the 2,500 people who's gonna get one of the Super Glides? Okay, there's not gonna be very many out there. Harley launched this bike literally today. I appreciate you guys following me around my neighborhood. This is where I live. This is where I work every day when I'm not on a trip. Now, I'm just gonna go rip this thing around for the rest of the time that I have it because I only have it till the end of the day. Thank you to Harley Davidson for hooking me up with the bike for the day and Visionary Studios for coming out and filming this video for me. It's been a pleasure. Subscribe, like, comment. See you later.